given an integer array nums of unique elements, we have to return all the possible subsets, and we subset must not contain duplicates. Return the solution in any order. For example, we have given an input 1, 2, 3, and we have to generate all the subsets, including empty subset 1, 2, 3, single, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, all, but not duplicate. Like we cannot do 1, 2 again and again. Okay, let's see how to do it. Okay, so we have given any array. Wait, let me increase its strength. So more weight. Um, so we have given any array. Let's say 1. So we have given array 1 comma 2 comma 3, and we have to return all the subsets of it. So how can we do it? There is a simple approach we can follow by recursion. So let's see how to do it. So we will simply just erase. Let me just erase this. We will simply, at first we have our, let's take another color. It's very light. Yes. So at starting we have our empty array, empty list, whatever you say. Okay, we are doing dry run for input 1, 2, 3. So at starting we will have empty array. We can add 1. Okay, 1 or nothing. We have two options, either 1 or nothing. Now for 1, we can either add 2 or nothing, right? Just two options. Similarly, for this empty, we can either add nothing, or we can add 2. So if we add 2 in empty, we will get 2. Similarly, I can add now 3 to it. Yes. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Or we can add nothing to it. So it will be 1, 2. Similarly, for this one, I can add 3 to it, right? Or I can add nothing to it. So it will be 1 only. And similarly, I can add 3 to this 2. Or nothing to this 2. So in this case, it will be 2 only. Similarly, in this empty string, I can add 3, right? Or nothing. So I have get all my possible subsets. If you see 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1, 2, 3 individually, and also empty string. So how to code it? Let's see. Very easy code. Okay, I will code in front of you guys so that you can also check how to do these type of questions. So firstly, we will define our answer vector, which we will have to return, and we can name it power sets, right? Power sets. Similarly, we have to create a set, integer vector name set, which will have solo vector, right? Like vector 1, vector 2, and then we will add all the vectors in the power set. Now it will be power set. Now have we can call our helper function, which will get we can call our helper function. We will pass power set so that we can do changes to it, and our set, and our nums, right? Nums, this vector which we are given, and we will add I is equals to 0. So why I is equals to the 0 I will tell you, and you will just do I here, right? That's it. So why I am taking I, because firstly I will be at here, right? Let me just increase. Firstly I will be here at 1, right? So I am either adding 1 or either not adding 1. Then I will be at 2, right? This level. So either 2 will add or 2 will not add. Now if I will add 3, and 3 will add or not. So I want I as an iterator which will go to 1 and other than next elements. So that's why I am taking I here. Now let's define our helper function. So it will be void helper vector, 2D vector basically. So vector integer type, naming power here, power let's say, and subset vector which we can name here. We can also name set, same name or different name, it's our choice, and iterator I, and also again a vector of int, that is nums. And also we are doing changes at our power set vector and nums vector, so we will add ampersand to it. Now what can be our base condition at first? Think. Base condition can be whenever iterator will become at the end of the given nums vector, then we will just add the current set to our power set with this pushback function, and we will just return. Okay, but what if it's not a case? So we have seen we will just either add set dot pushback, either add the current element, that is nums of I, and call the helper function for forward iterations with the given input power set and I plus 1, as we are going to next, and nums. And if we don't want to add, we will just remove the current pushback element because we don't want any changes. Pop back, and we will call helper function without adding anything. This is what we saw here in our dry run. Okay, I plus we are going to next element, but we are not adding anything in this case, right? I hope it should, yeah, just return power set here. Now let's try to run it. So yeah, it is accepted, and if I submit it, it's getting accepted. So I hope you like this video. If you want the code, you can check the GitHub in my description. Thank you.